We're going to solve this system equations using the method of elimination. And in the first step of the method of elimination is to make sure that they are in the required format, which they already are. The next step is to figure out how we could add them together and go ahead and eliminate a variable. So I'm looking at the negative 4x and the negative 2x. So in my second step, what I've decided to do is I'm going to multiply equation 2 by negative 2, and I'm going to add to equation number 1. Okay. You may have used a different approach here. This is the one that I'm going to use. So if I look at my equation number 1, it's negative 4x plus y is equal to negative 6. And if I multiply my equation 2 by negative 2, I'd end up with 4x minus 2y is equal to negative 8. I'm going to add those together, and what happens when I add them together? The negative 4x plus 4x is eliminated, leaves me with a negative y is equal to negative 14, which means that y is equal to 14. So in step number 3, I'm going to substitute my y is equal to 14 back up into my original equation in number 1 here. So I have negative 4x plus 14 is equal to negative 6. Negative 4x is equal to 14 comes over to the other side, becomes a negative 14, and that gives me negative 20. Divide both sides by negative 4. X comes out to be 5. So my last step is to make sure that my solution of 5 and 14 is indeed correct. So I substitute back into equation number 1. So that's negative 4 times 5 plus 14 to negative 6. Negative 20 plus 14 is equal to negative 6. Negative 6 is equal to negative 6. It's correct in my first equation. In my second equation, I have negative 2 times 5 plus 14, and testing to see if that's equal to 4. So negative 10 plus 14 is equal to 4. 4 is equal to 4. It's correct in the second equation, so I can conclude that my solution of 5 and 14 is correct.